Hey guys, it's Jeff. Thanks for checking out my video today. This one's going to be a follow-up video to the unboxing that I did for the Taurus G3 Tactical. Stay tuned. Hey guys, thanks for checking out this video. Like I said, this is going to be a follow-up video to the unboxing video that I did a couple of weeks ago for this gun right here. I've had a chance to take it to the range. I've learned a few things about it, some things I want to bring to you, some things of interest. So let's just get into it. But before I get started, I do want to say if you like this kind of content, you like what I'm doing here, you want to help support a small channel, please give me a like or a subscribe. I'm almost at 10,000 subscribers. And also you can check out the affiliate links in the description below. So with that, let's get into this. So what do we got here? So this is the Taurus G3 Tactical. This is an optics ready pistol from Taurus, right? This is their Toro line, their Taurus optics ready pistol. I don't remember exactly what Toro means. You can check out the other video. I have a link up here. You can go check that out. It's got a light rail. It's threaded. It's got suppressor height sights. It comes with several mounting plates. So if you want to mount, your preferred optic of choice, I've got a little Swamp Fox cheapie on here for this video. It comes with 17+1 in the magazine. It comes with 2 magazines. These are Brazilian branded magazines. These are probably just sourced by Taurus, by some company, not exactly sure. Comes with a flat face trigger. Comes with, and this is safe, you can see. Comes with a double strike capability. All right, so what you would have come to expect from the G line of pistols from Taurus, right? So nothing really new or innovative there. A lot of great features packed into a small pistol like this. And if you're looking for, this is coming with no safety. So if you're looking for a duty gun with no safety and you want to try out the Taurus, this is a good option to try out. Home defense pistol. You're a security guard, don't have a lot of money available to you. You're driving armored cars, something along those lines. And you're looking for a decent pistol. You want to check this out. I mean, it comes with a lot of features built into it. Now, that said, there are some things that you want to be aware of, and I did discover this on the range. So one of the things that I wanted to highlight in this video, and again, I'm going to keep this one as short as possible, but one thing that I did notice is the followers on these magazines, and I'm going to go ahead and take this apart real quick, and I'm going to show you. Be right back. So the follower on this magazine is something that I discovered while I was using it. It looks like it's an anti-tilt, but man, I was using some steel-cased ammo, and I'll be damned if it wasn't getting bound up inside here. Now, I don't know if that's the ammo's fault or the magazine's fault, but I can tell you with brass cased ammo, I didn't have that problem. But with steel cased ammo, it was binding up on the insides in here, and that was just something to be concerned about. I would get about halfway down, and the whole mag would jam up on a round, and I could shake the whole thing empty. So that was a concern. If that's a concern to you, just be aware. I do want to bring you the good with the bad. All in all, this has been a great little pistol, though. Not a lot of complaints with it. It shoots straight. It shoots good. It feels good in the hand. The texturing's perfect for this. It's got a great ergonomic grip on it. I would like to see some interchangeable back straps on this thing. If you have different size hands, some people have larger or smaller hands. One size does not always fit all. This fits most, so keep that in mind too. It doesn't come with an adjustable back strap. So with that, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and leave it here. Great little pistol for the money. If you're looking for an inexpensive pistol with a lot of features, check out the Taurus G3 Toro Tactical. Good little pistol. Check it out. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay vigilant, stay active, stay in the fight, and I'll see you again because the fight for your rights never ends. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.